Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and if you do enjoy the content at the end of my vlog, please like, comment and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for tuning in. Today it's a Friday and I've just knocked off, so I'm going to the mall here in Staycation Mall. Forgot the name of the restaurant, but they sell cocktails half price during the day, so I want to go there, unwind, and I don't know if I did mention, like, from my previous vlog or anyway, that August was like new beginnings for me. So I found a new job in Centurion. Thank you, Lord. It is actually what I've been praying for, to work in a big company in an affluent area, and yes, that is where I am now by the grace of God. So yeah, I'm actually here to get myself cocktail. I'm not sure, but maybe my new colleague will be joining me. I don't really know if that is a great idea or not, because sometimes you have to set boundaries between work and your personal life. But anyway, this is not that deep. So this is what I'm wearing, guys. It's not that deep, guys. Yeah. So it's just a walking distance. It's not far. Our offices are actually opposite the mall, but you need to like walk. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Yo guys, the queues are so ridiculous. I forgot it's 25. So I actually want to update my contact details at Capitec. Amy, I'm feeling this vitiza. Guys, things beginning.
That's panacolastic plaster.
Hana what has not in the clinic. Hana Calasta. Oh, nice. And I'm a calamani. Guys, they don't have a bathroom inside, so you need to like go downstairs to get a bathroom, which is BS. Sorry guys, I'm so intoxicated. Hey guys, as I did mention to you guys that what I hate about this place is that it doesn't have a bathroom. So like when you are drinking, you need to pee consistently. Like when you're in a bathroom, I can imagine. You can live with others. So I think I'm just gonna have like a round of tuna. Then I'm gonna catch a round train. In Zile. So hey, you guys won't believe. So we are gonna catch a couch in, but start to shy. And we here. Yeah, guys. So we ordered mimosa. Hey. Uber before mimosa, so I guess man plus the time is against us. So many registration. Eyo. Guys, so I'm here at the Johannesburg station, and I'm gonna request and go to meet up with my friends. They're actually still buying alcohol, so I think I'm just gonna go straight to them. I feel like we are a bit late, but anyway, so I'm just gonna get into my Uber and then go meet up with them. Guys, so I'm struggling to get an Uber, guys, and yo, we're hectic. We're hectic, hey? We're hectic. And I'm panicking. I feel like we don't have enough time. At this time, we're supposed to be sitting down, enjoying the facilities, chilling by the pool. But I don't know what's gonna happen because, like, I still need to do the ladies' makeup.
Oh, this chicken mayo.
It looks nice, ne? Yeah, and I think I'm gonna go for it.
Okay, no, no. Yeah, pepper steak. Steak and kidney, sorry. Because
yeah, fashion them. Honey chicken and mushroom. Ganun yan sila yun. Ooh, steak and kidney then. So where we are going, there is like a poolside, and I was really hoping that we are going to get content in the afternoon. Look at it, the cheese, the pies. I was really hoping good to the content. I mean, I'm looking at like the law. So I don't know if we can just get in, get drunk, and then tomorrow morning we have a content suit. You will change clothes. You can like put on the shorts and then later on put on the dresses by the pool. Wow, because wow. Mpotola, MPOTOLLA.
Contact
064
064
909 7196.
Any document?
ID. Nine.
Apartment you had like
Anyaza ngimazi ukuthi ngakuphi 1.6.
the key owner.
No. Kuphi la?
Yes, office like one.
Anyazi sengisho siyibhukhile asiyazi le ndawo.
Yabona lapho nama steps la.
Yeah.
Kona lapha ngapha office.
Okay, no problem. Oh, okay, I think it's fine. You can end the trip.
Ayingahamba ngemoto emi khona lapha. This space.
Oh. I'm so glad. So this is the pool area, guys. I actually thought kuzobe kunabantu, so we can actually come chill here. Hopefully tomorrow.
You eat 1.6.
Okay, 1.6.
Yes, you eat 1.6.
Yes.
Yeah. So, this is a key.
Thank you.
With Johnson,
Yes.
he gave you the search instruction for 1 hand bag.
Yes, he did.
The rolls for 1 hand bags. He did.
Yes.
Okay. So I don't have to explain.
I don't know, is there anything maybe that you'd like to emphasize or no?
Let me check you out to the unit. As a private unit, so I don't need your ID, I don't need your passport. 3 guests, 2 nights.
Lento le yanyeke kanti. Ey, le. Izofaka lama bag.
So Jacaranda 1.6 and for what the man mara tisiona ngiremane toka kwa tisi wasiro myaro so over the site instruction being 1 2 3 so what was a little problem, but if you have a problem you nice security will not transfer the attendable things
baba amfita bana
naye akalibona delivery so but guys are rumo. From 0600 in the morning until 2000, which is 8. So from 8 I think only the 1 bedroom. So from 8 is late. room is 1.6.
The restaurant, why is it closed? The restaurant.
It's all like a 5-star weekend.
Really?
So I need something to eat. Uber eat, huh?
Yeah. So
No
choice. And then tomorrow it will be.
Tomorrow Sunday 8 until 3.
Oopsie. Oh yeah. Hey guys, so we have already checked in. Imagine we checked in so late, but we are already here, so we might as well start the day. So this is our apartment. Got in through this door. These are our bags. It is so stunning. So this is the kitchen, as you all can see. Yes, this is the kitchen. What do we have here? Cleaning stuff. Yes. Nothing here. Hey boo, zip is empty. Don't know what's this, guys. It's nothing. Okay, not bad. Glasses for mimosa. And the plates. Okay, there's the board that we're going to use for the cheese board. The board, and then this is so nice, guys. This is so cozy and nice. Yes. Okay, unfortunately it's already dark. I'm not sure if you guys can see the outside part, but this is our balcony. Yeah. That's breathtaking. Like, come on, this is the apartment. Yeah. Okay, this is bedroom number 1. It has a bathroom. Wow. Okay, that's it. It's the bed. Okay, I thought this was a glass, but no. I guess next we need to communicate with our host. I'll just check. He said he did mention something about. It is for 4 people, babe. It's fine, babe. With or without. Okay. This is a very beautiful space. So, guys, siyaphuzeni. Hey guys, so it is like 6:20. Can you believe it? But anyway, we are here, so we're just gonna be spending the night here, and hopefully we're gonna get more of the afternoon content later on in Sasa, because the pool is really giving. There's so much to do that side, like it is giving. Okay, so we are here. My ladies, they did go and make groceries, so I just want to show you guys what we got so far. Okay, this is the maize meal.
Where is the water coming from?
I think it's my eyes. And then when they get it has a small shell, and they have groceries. Okay guys, let me quickly show you guys, and then just shisha ishe. Hey, so we did bring the shisha. We're obviously gonna connect the shisha just now, and then okay, we got grapes for the platter.
They were feeling
Orange juice for mimosa. I've got wine. YouTube. These are for the platter. I feel like I'm all over. These are the t-shirts. Okay guys, stay tuned. We are gonna have like a game night, and we will change. So this is gonna be our outfit for the game night. Yeah. Orange juice. We got snakes, biltong, peanuts and raisins, dash. Did you guys get berries?
I wanted us to get mint. We didn't get it, but we got lemon, I think.
Lemon fella for the cocktail. Not even strawberry. Okay?
Yeah, we tried Shen as a sister lank.
Oh, listen, something.
No.
Listen, you're good.
Do we check? Oh, let's. Because I remember to check a spa.
Nah, at least they're all good for their cheese board. Guys, I don't know what does it there. Share that. As well as like, I don't know what is strong. I don't know what is just like. Hey, never near Kanga.
We almost doing some heater and stuff.
Yeah, show me.
It's not sure. And chakalaka for 20 rand, 20 rands and 90 cents. I think only chakalaka
I'm not a ghetto. So I look you. Bye, in the front. I mean, you're
and once you get used to it, it's so nice.
I jumped, I even cried. Sizolala maguphumilanga sithi lava yo, morning guys. Ngazi sola. So yo, yeah, I'm gonna do something right. Just woke up and yeah, we just wanna take content in mimosa, towels, you know, like what is a vacation without a towel? I'm so be like so yeah, we're just gonna quickly do that and then go by the pool area. Unfortunately, just like that. Yeah, guys, I think exactly. So meanwhile, again, phone, to me. Yes, guys, so this is the content. Content. Side. And then this is yo guys, I'm copy. I mean, I think normally after orange juice, you don't necessarily have to put alcohol for me. Yeah. Yeah. So shall I go to the poppy bag? Hello, and I'll mind you. Bag. Hey. Like I should have gotten like a cocktail. There's a bag. guys. Honestly speaking, it was not necessary, but yeah, I'm here. I just want to sleep. I just want to sleep. Like, you're not laying over a bed, wasn't, even if you're drinking water, like so I feel like I did not sleep enough, because yeah, I think I slept around 3, if not 4. Here's Gualoco, I woke up around 7, so it explains what's why engaging. But right now I'm just gonna sleep. I need to prepare for the week, but first things first, let me rest. The rest is what Dilanako Mamvuga. And if you guys enjoyed the content, if you guys enjoyed vlog, so please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I am so exhausted, guys. I'm sorry. Yes, so yeah, see you on my next vlog. I don't know what's gonna be happening, but yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys soon. I actually had a great time. I won't lie, I had a great time, and yeah, I had a very great time. See you on my next vlog.